What's up guys, it's been a long time since I posted a video on this channel and I believe you have really missed my update. I'm so sorry for not updating you so frequently. It is due to different hustles and different activities I engage in. But I think this is the right time for me to update you because that is going to play a very important role in your journey to becoming a digital marketer or whatsoever you want to do on the internet. So in this video, what I have for you is very important if you are new to the internet community. And what I want to talk about is how to start online business or how to make money on the internet. If you go online, for example, if you go to Google to search for how to make money on the internet, you see a lot of information, a lot of articles, a lot of videos and so on. And at the end of everything, if you are trying to read all of this information, you get confused and sometimes you will not be able to achieve anything if you are starting very new. So that is what I want to address in this video, and I believe at the end of this video you will have a very good understanding of how to make money on the internet even if you don't have any resources to start with. So I will let you know that there are so many opportunities on the internet, and when we talk about online business, we talk about so many things like e-commerce, like freelancing, like selling digital products, like offering your services on your own personal website, like blogging and so on. So there are so many opportunities on the internet, but if you are someone who don't know where to start from, or you don't have money, you don't have anything, you don't have a website, and you don't know what to do to make money on the internet, so where should you start from? That is what I want to talk about here. It is important to know that not all opportunities are for everybody. So if as a person that have been on the internet working for the past 6-7 years and I've been able to achieve some things online, I might be able to finance some of the things I want to do on the internet because of my experience. But you that is just coming on board, you might find it very difficult to do anything online, and that is why you have to be very careful before you take any action. Don't spend the little money you have on irrelevant courses or irrelevant software. Just note that when you're coming very new, you need to be very careful and you need to make the right decision at the right time. And in this video, I'm telling you, when you are coming as a beginner on the internet, if you know you don't have any money to invest in any software, building a website, or learning some very important skill, you might want to start from where you will be able to achieve something without having to spend any money, and that is starting as a freelancer. Irrespective of your location in the world, starting as a freelancer is going to accelerate your movement as an online marketer, and it's going to help you to achieve some success if you dedicate your time to it. When I started about 6 years ago, I started as a freelancer. By the way, I have tried blogging for some time, but I haven't gotten anything from blogging, and at the end of everything, I decided to go into freelancing. And right now, with the sources I've gotten from freelancing, I've been able to jump into different online marketing opportunities, and I've been able to get some success because I have the little resources to finance all of these activities, and those are ways to boost or to increase your revenue channels on the internet. So for a beginner who don't know what to do to start making money on the internet, I wouldn't encourage you to start with e-commerce or even to start with offering services or building a website for yourself. I will encourage you to start by offering a freelancing service. Go ahead and offer freelancing service, sell your skill, join a very good freelancing platform, and start promoting yourself and get some customers through this platform, and you'll be able to make some money. As you're making the money, there's one important thing you need to have at the back of your mind. You are making the money because you want to build your online business. If you want to go fully into freelancing, that is fine. You can make a whole lot of money in freelancing. There are people making millions of dollars on freelancing. But if you want to use that as a beginner to make some money and build some other online businesses just like e-commerce, you need to start thinking beyond the box. You need to start planning, learning more things. As you start freelancing, making some money, you go ahead and use some of the money you have from freelancing to learn some other skills, to acquire some software if needed, and to build a website if necessary for your business. Don't go ahead with purchasing some expensive courses or software when you are starting very new. Don't waste your money. Start with freelancing. When you start with freelancing, you will definitely love it and you'll be able to make some money, and that will be a very good step, and it's going to encourage you to take the next step building your business on the internet and helping you to achieve success from the internet. I'll be posting more video on this channel on how you can start freelancing. There are so many freelancing platforms on the internet. Personally, I've worked on Fiverr for several years. I've worked on Upwork, and I've offered my freelancing service one-on-one directly without using any freelancing platform. You can do all of this, but I will encourage you, if you are starting, start from a freelancing platform that is very reputable, and you'll be able to get some clients from the platform without stressing yourself advertising or investing in any tool. So I believe with this video you understand where you can start from. If you want to start making money on the internet, you don't need to start with the complexity of e-commerce where you will have to advertise on Facebook, on Google, on LinkedIn, whatsoever. You don't even need to start with affiliate marketing, because making money in affiliate marketing is not as easy as people advertise. But you can easily make money from freelancing without investing anything, and that is where you should start your journey. Watch out for the next video where I'll be giving you tips and information on how you can join a freelancing platform that will help you to start your career on the internet and make some money for yourself. Thanks again for watching the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.